Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to today's short walk. So, I'm currently staying at the Beachfront Hotel and Resort, which is pretty much as it says on the beach. I'm just going to go for a quick walk and walk along the beach into the Sunset Resort, which is just, I think, 2 hotels down. So, this is just a little overview of where I'm staying at the moment. Just sat along the hillside. It's got 2 lovely pools. It's got beach, like a pool bar, and between the 2 pools it does food after the breakfast. I think finish serving around about 10 o'clock at night. Okay, so I'll just walk you down. We've got lots of sun lounges here. We have beachside accommodation, which is like a premium accommodation. Morning! Just walk you over. These are the seafront villas. And these are available to book direct with the hotel. Okay, let's go for a little beach walk and over to the Sunset Resort, a couple of hotels down. Tide's in at the moment. Sunset Resort is pretty much the last hotel on the beach, right next to the headland. Very much got the island feel to it, having this headland here. It's absolutely lovely. There is a set of steps you can walk up onto the main road and get to a viewpoint and get a lovely view of the whole bay or all the beach. The sea does drag up quite a lot of flotsam, as you can see. Seaweed and branches and coconuts and bits of plastic. Okay, so we're walking up to the Sunset Resort here. Time of filming it is June. It's low season. A lot of the hotels I've been walking around and the resort itself is quite quiet at the moment. Prices are ranging from around about 15 British pounds to £20 for the cheaper rooms. I'm not really checked out all the prices of the rooms, but they are quite competitive. I'd say it's quite low season now, so it's not a great deal of people here. It's not a room review. This it's just a little walk round, just to give you an overview of where the resort is and the pool. It looks very, very quiet at the moment. Quite distinctive blue roof on this hotel. There you go. In front there looks to be a the restaurant. I'll just walk you through. As you can see, it's just located right at the end of the beach. And that's the main road, just right behind the hotel there. If you want to walk along the beach, it takes about, well, depending on how fast you walk, between 10 and 15 minutes, and you can be in Khao Lak Centre. Or you can walk up the headland, up onto the road and walk down from the road. I know our hotel next door but one offers a taxi. You just book a taxi. Here we go, I think this is the bar. It's closed at the minute, but this is where the bar will be serving snacks, drinks during high season. Yeah, for 100 baht they'll phone a taxi for you, equivalent to about just over £2 British, and that'll drop you straight into the centre. For a little bit extra, we'll take you to the night market. And this would be the outdoor area, which I assume would be for entertainment and drinks, sunbathing, whatever. High season. Storage room there with all the sun lounges, etc. being stored. There you go. So that's just a very quick walkthrough of the Sunset Beach Resort. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps. And I'll leave you with a shot of the beach to conclude today's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.